Pero sa mundo ng business, sa mundo ng psychology or behavior, ibang ibig sabihin ng modeling. Modeling is basically copying the best practices of people and businesses. That's the reason why some businesses are so successful. They model the best practices.
Bigyan ko kayo ng isang example. Si Lee Kuan Yew. Kilala si Lee Kuan Yew? Former Prime Minister of Singapore. Ang Singapore, guys,
mas mahirap pa sa Pilipinas. Mas mahirap pa sila sa atin dati. Anong ginawa ni Lee Kuan Yew? Nagpadala siya ng representative sa iba-ibang bansang mayayaman. Alamin niyo kung anong ginagawa ng bansa na yan, kung bakit sila yumaman. Kinopya niya, kinapi niya, yumaman ng Singapore.